we're gonna do for chaines across the floor. You've done them before, probably not in a while. Do you remember this one? 1 and 2, backside front. Dut, dut, dut. We love this one. I love this one. I like this one because it makes us focus on not doing this. Yes? So we want to keep that strong. We also, it helps us think about our arm placement, okay? So from here, we do our, I'm going to do it fake because I can't because of my hip, but we're going to go low. 1 and 2 in a nice low chaine. We're spotting that way. Then we stay low in our nice plie, back, side, front. Now we do it again. Right, left, right. Back, side, front. We are staying in a straight line. Back, side, front. Dut, dut, dut. Back, side, front. You know what I think we got to work on as a team? Even when we're marking stuff, I think this just goes to show why we have the issues when we're doing our dance. When we're marking stuff, I don't think I saw anybody not doing seigi arms. We've got to reach through our arms. So even when we're marking, that's when you should really be thinking about it when we're marking, right? So I want 1 and 2, back, side, front. Duh, duh, duh. They can be there. You can have them straight. I like them straight for jazz. It's cleaner. Ballet, we can do them rounded, but I want you to go ba, ba, ba. Lower plie than I'm doing. I'm doing my hip surgery plie. Right? Mm-hmm. So this has the perfect beat. Bum, bum, bum. Back, side, front. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's right, left, right. Backside, front. Bup, bup, bup. Backside, front. Bump, bump, bump. And a backside, front. Bup, bup, bup. Backside, front. Yep, you just missed one step one time. But you're getting it. That was better. You're getting better, Alexa. Keep working. Reach through those fingers all the way when you do it. Good. Look this way the whole time. Yep, and then watch that booty. There you go, Ada. Look this way, Gracie. Keep your spot this way the whole time. Bree, will you pause it quick? First of all, I just have to say we are getting better at this. I know we haven't done this in like months and months, but it looks better than the last time we did it. But what a lot of us are missing, where should our head be the whole time we're doing this? This way. A lot of us are looking in the mirror, which I know I normally say look at yourself in the mirror because I want to focus on what you're doing. But this one, we got to keep our head this way the whole time. So we're spotting bump, bump, bump. Back, side, front. It stays there. Bump, bump, bump. Back, side, front. Yes? Okay. Keep focusing. I can tell you guys are really thinking hard about technique. That's all I ask. Yep, so what I want you to do, go into your plie again. So I want you to think about, yes, that turnout of your knees. What you're doing right now, your feet are turning. This is good, but keep this close, yep. Your feet are turning out when you're doing it, but your knees, me and Jamie were just talking about this because mine do that a little bit. Your knees are going forward like this. See how mine look right now? But when you're thinking about it, you're able to, so squeezing there, yeah, there you go. That's where you want to be, and then reach to those arms all the way, there.